Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix YouTube showing wrong languages, titles, descriptions and menus. So actually there is only one fix for this issue, and it's downloading the extension for your web browser. At first open the new tab and here search for the anti-translate extension. Scroll down to the YouTube No Translation from the Chrome Web Store. YouTube No Translation. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. It should redirect you to the YouTube No Translation web page, and here enable titles, audio tracks and descriptions and even subtitles, up to you actually. Click Reload all active tabs, open YouTube, and everything that's here should be fixed. And actually, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!